Hello my dear friends, welcome to the third part of the lecture Theory of Attributes. In this lecture, we are doing problems in Theory of Attributes and their solutions. First, problem 1 is given that frequency of AB is equal to 150, frequency of A beta is equal to 230, frequency of alpha B is equal to 260 and frequency of alpha beta is equal to 2340. Find the other frequencies and the value of n. Now the solution of this problem. In this problem, we are given two attributes. In the two attributes case, first we have to see what are the class frequencies are in the case of two attributes. Here I am writing order and the corresponding class frequencies. In the 0th order, the corresponding class frequency is n. In the first order, the class frequencies are frequency of A, frequency of B, frequency of alpha and frequency of beta. In the second order, the corresponding class frequencies are frequency of AB, frequency of A beta, frequency of alpha B and frequency of alpha beta. In this problem, we are given the values of frequency of AB, frequency of A beta, frequency of alpha B and frequency of alpha beta. So these values are given in our problem. Now we have to find the other frequencies. That means frequency of A, frequency of B, frequency of alpha, frequency of beta and the value of n. So that is the corresponding 0th order class frequency is capital N. First we have to find out frequency of A. So the relation of frequency of A is frequency of AB plus frequency of A beta. Now we have to substitute the values of frequency of AB and frequency of A beta in this frequency of A. Frequency of AB value is 150 plus frequency of A beta is 230. 150 plus 230, this is equal to 380. And the next frequency, frequency of B. This is equal to frequency of AB plus frequency of alpha B. And this is equal to frequency of AB value is again 150. Frequency of alpha B value, we are given that value. So that value is equal to 260. 150 plus 260, that is equal to 410. And the next frequency value is frequency of alpha. Now frequency of alpha can be expressed as frequency of alpha B plus frequency of alpha beta. Now the value of frequency of alpha B is 260 and frequency of alpha beta value is 2340. And this is equal to sum of 260 plus 2340. This is equal to 2600. And the first order's last frequency, that is frequency of beta. Frequency of beta is equal to So now we have to express in sum of two class frequencies, that is frequency of A beta plus frequency of alpha beta. Frequency of A beta is 230 plus frequency of alpha beta is 2340. 230 plus 2340 is 2570. So these are the first order class frequencies. Remaining first order class frequencies and 0th order class frequency. Corresponding class frequency is capital N. Now we have to find out capital N. This is equal to capital N value is obtained from sum of any two complementary attributes, that is frequency of A plus alpha, frequency of A plus frequency of alpha, or capital N is equal to frequency of B plus frequency of beta. Now we have to substitute frequency of A value. So this is 380 plus frequency of alpha value is 2600 and this is equal to 2980. Again, frequency of B value 410 and frequency of beta value 2570. Again, sum of 410 plus 2570 is also 2980. The value of N, capital N, we are calculating either frequency of A plus alpha or frequency of B plus beta. So same, two values are same. So this is the first problem. Coming to the second problem, given the following ultimate class frequencies, find the frequencies of positive classes. So following are ultimate class frequencies. That means ultimate class frequencies means higher order class frequencies. So we have to find out the frequencies of only positive classes. Here in this problem we are given three attributes. In the three attributes case, the number of positive class frequencies are 2q. That is equal to 8 positive class frequencies are obtained. First, we have to observe what are the class frequencies. We are taking three attributes: order and class frequencies. In 0th order, the corresponding class frequency is capital N. In the first order, the corresponding class frequency is frequency of A, frequency of B, frequency of C, and frequency of alpha, frequency of beta, frequency of gamma. In the second order, corresponding class frequencies are frequency of AB, frequency of BC, frequency of AC, frequency of alpha beta, frequency of beta gamma, frequency of alpha gamma, frequency of A beta, frequency of A gamma, frequency of alpha B, frequency of B gamma, frequency of alpha C, frequency of beta C. So in the second order, total number of class frequencies are 12 class frequencies. In the third order, corresponding class frequencies are frequency of ABC, frequency of AB gamma, frequency of A beta C, frequency of A beta gamma, frequency of alpha BC, frequency of alpha B gamma, frequency of alpha beta C, and frequency of alpha beta gamma. In the third order, there are 8 class frequencies. So 0th order 1, first order 6, second order 12, and the third order's corresponding class frequencies are 8. So total 27 class frequencies are there in the case of taking 3 attributes. Here we have to find the frequencies of only positive classes. Positive classes. Positive classes means here in the 0th order capital N, in the first order frequency of A, frequency of B, frequency of C. In the second order, frequency of AB, frequency of BC, frequency of AC. In the third order, the positive class frequency is frequency of ABC. And the remaining frequencies are negative frequencies and contrary frequencies. So in this problem, we have to find out only positive class frequencies. Now in this problem, we are given frequency of ABC value is also given 149, and the remaining class frequencies. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are calculating these 7 values. So this is the third order positive class frequency. In the second order, the positive class frequencies are, first one is frequency of AB. Frequency of AB is equal to frequency of ABC plus frequency of AB gamma. And this is equal to frequency of ABC. The value of frequency of ABC is 149 plus frequency of AB gamma. So this is 738. 149 plus 738. This is equal to 887. And the next second order positive class frequency is frequency of BC. Again, frequency of BC can be expressed in the third orders, that is frequency of ABC plus frequency of alpha BC. This is equal to frequency of ABC value is 149 plus frequency of alpha BC value is 204. The sum of 149 plus 204 is equal to 353. And the next value is frequency of AC. This is equal to frequency of ABC plus frequency of A beta C. Again, frequency of ABC value is 149 plus frequency of A beta C is 225. 149 plus 225 is equal to 374. So these are the second order positive class frequencies. In the first order, the positive class frequencies are as follows. Those are, first one is frequency of A. Frequency of A value can be obtained by frequency of AB plus frequency of A beta. Now the value of frequency of AB is 887 plus again frequency of A beta can be expressed into third order terms, that is frequency of A beta C plus frequency of A beta gamma, and this is equal to 887 plus frequency of A beta C value is 225, frequency of A beta gamma value is 1196, and the sum of the three values is equal to 2308. And next, first order positive class frequency is frequency of B. This is equal to frequency of AB plus frequency of alpha B. Again, frequency of AB value is 887 plus frequency of alpha B. So this is the second order class frequency. So this class frequency can be expressed into the third order terms. Those are frequency of alpha BC plus frequency of alpha B gamma. This is equal to 887 plus frequency of alpha BC value is 204 plus alpha B gamma. So frequency of alpha B gamma value is 1762. Sum of these three values we get 2853. And the last first order positive class frequency, that is frequency of C, is equal to frequency of BC plus frequency of beta C, and this is equal to frequency of BC value we get in the second order. Frequency of BC value is 353 plus frequency of beta C. So this is the second order class frequency. This second order class frequency can be expressed into third order terms. So that is frequency of beta C can be represented in the terms of third order like this. Frequency of A beta C plus frequency of alpha beta C, and this is equal to 353 plus A beta C value. Frequency of A beta C value is 225 plus frequency of alpha beta C. This is equal to 171. 353, 225 plus 171. So sum of the three values 749. So these are the first order class frequencies, and last one is 0th order. In the 0th order, the corresponding class frequency is capital N. So now we have to find out the value of capital N. That is equal to frequency of ABC plus frequency of AB gamma plus frequency of A beta C plus frequency of A beta gamma plus frequency of alpha BC plus frequency of alpha B gamma plus frequency of alpha beta C plus frequency of alpha beta gamma. So sum of the third order all class frequencies, we get the value of capital N. So that value is 26287. Next problem 3. Find the remaining class frequencies given the following data. Here we are given capital N value, frequency of A value, frequency of B value, frequency of C value and frequency of AB, frequency of AC, frequency of BC values are given and also given that frequency of ABC value. So in this problem, here 3 attributes are there. Since there are 27 class frequencies of all orders with respect to 3 attributes. So here we are given only 8 class frequencies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 class frequencies. And the remaining class frequencies, that is 27 minus 8, that is equal to 19 class frequencies are found as follows. Now the solution of this problem is, so here we have to see in the 0th order the corresponding class frequency is capital N. So this capital N value also given in this problem. So that value is 23,730. In the first order, the class frequencies are frequency of A, frequency of B and frequency of C. So again these 3 class frequencies, so that is frequency of A value, frequency of B value and frequency of C value also given in the problem. And the remaining class frequencies in the first order, those are frequency of alpha, frequency of beta and frequency of gamma. Here calculate, so these values, these class frequencies in the first order. So in the first order we have to find out the remaining class frequencies. So those are frequency of alpha. This is equal to, so this value can be obtained by, so we know that sum of the 2 complementary attributes, that means frequency of A plus frequency of alpha value is equal to capital N. So in this problem we are given N value and frequency of A value. Based on this, frequency of alpha is equal to N minus A. N minus frequency of A. This is equal to, the value of N is 23,713 minus frequency of A value is 1618. Now subtract these 2 values, we get 22,095. In the similar way, we have to find out frequency of beta and frequency of gamma. So first we have to find out the value of frequency of beta, and this is equal to N minus, capital N minus frequency of B. The value of N is 23,730 minus frequency of B is 2015. Now the subtraction of these two values, we get 21,698. And the third class frequency in the first order. So that is frequency of gamma is equal to n minus frequency of C. This is equal to 23,713. The value of n is 23,713 minus frequency of C value is 770. Now subtraction, after subtraction we get the value of gamma is 22,943. In the first order, frequency of A, frequency of B, frequency of C values are given in the problem, and the remaining class frequencies are we are calculated. In the second order, the given class frequencies are frequency of AB, frequency of AC, frequency of BC. And these values are given in the problem. And the remaining second order class frequencies, those are 9 class frequencies. Those are obtained as follows. First one is frequency of A beta. So frequency of A beta can be written as frequency of A minus frequency of AB. So the value of frequency of A is 1618 minus frequency of AB value is 587. So after subtraction we get 1031. And the next one is frequency of A gamma. Now frequency of A gamma is equal to frequency of A minus frequency of AC. This is equal to frequency of A value is again 1618 minus frequency of AC value is 428. That is equal to 1190. And next one is frequency of alpha B. So frequency of B minus frequency of AB. Frequency of B value is 2015 minus frequency of AB value is 587. After the subtraction of 2015 minus 587, we get the value 1428. And next second order class frequency is frequency of alpha C. This is equal to C minus frequency of AC. The value of frequency of C is 770 minus frequency of AC is 428. 770 minus 428. We get the value of 342. So after that, we have to find out frequency of alpha beta. This is equal to frequency of alpha beta is equal to frequency of alpha minus frequency of alpha b. Frequency of alpha. The value of frequency of alpha is 22,095 minus frequency of alpha b value is 1428, and the subtraction of these two values we get 20667, and the next one is frequency of alpha gamma, and this is equal to frequency of alpha minus frequency of alpha c. Frequency of alpha is 22,095 minus frequency of alpha c value is here. This is 342. After the subtraction, we get 21,753. And next one is frequency of B gamma. Frequency of B gamma is equal to frequency of B minus frequency of BC. Frequency of B value is 2015. Frequency of BC value. So this is the given problem. So the value is in the given problem, that is 335. minus 335. So after the subtraction, we get 1680. And next one, frequency of beta C. So frequency of beta C can be expressed frequency of C minus frequency of BC. The value of frequency of C is 770 minus frequency of BC value is 335. So 770 minus 335. This is 435. And the last value, that is frequency of beta gamma. This is equal to frequency of beta minus frequency of beta C. So the value of frequency of beta is 21,698. Already we are calculated in the previous slide, minus frequency of beta C. Frequency of beta C value is 435. So after the subtraction of these two values, we get 21,263. So here the remaining class frequencies we are calculated in the second order. Coming to the third order, we are given only one class frequency in the given problem, that is frequency of ABC, and the remaining 7 class frequencies, that is frequency of AB gamma, frequency of A beta C, frequency of A beta gamma, And next one is frequency of alpha VC, frequency of alpha V gamma, frequency of alpha beta C, and frequency of alpha beta gamma. We have calculated these 7 class frequencies in this slide. First one is frequency of AV gamma. Frequency of AV gamma can be obtained as follows. Frequency of AV minus frequency of AVC. Frequency of AV value is 587 minus frequency of AVC value is 156. 587 minus 156. This is 431. And next one is frequency of A beta C. Frequency of A beta C can be written as frequency of AC minus frequency of AVC. So frequency of AC value is 428. Frequency of AVC value is 156. 428 minus 156. We get the value of 272. And next one, frequency of A beta gamma. Frequency of A beta gamma. This is equal to A beta minus A beta C. Frequency of A beta gamma can be expressed into the terms frequency of A beta minus frequency of A beta C, and this is equal to frequency of A beta value. So second order class frequencies we are calculated in the previous slide. So those values are pasted in this side also. That is frequency of A beta value is 1031. Frequency of A beta C value is 272. So subtraction of these two values, we get the value of frequency of A beta gamma is 759. And the next class frequency is frequency of alpha BC. And this is equal to frequency of BC minus frequency of ABC. Frequency of BC value is 335 minus frequency of ABC value is 156. So 335 minus 156 is 179. And next one is frequency of alpha B gamma. And this is equal to alpha B, frequency of alpha B minus frequency of alpha BC. So frequency of alpha B value is 1428 minus frequency of alpha BC is 179. That is equal to 1249. And next one is frequency of alpha beta C. Frequency of alpha beta C can be written as beta C minus A beta C. Now the value of frequency value of beta C is equal to 435 minus frequency of A beta C. So frequency of A beta C value is 272. 435 minus 272. We get 163. And the last class frequency, that is frequency of alpha, beta, gamma, that is equal to frequency of alpha, beta minus frequency of alpha, beta, C. This is equal to frequency of alpha, beta value is 20,667 minus frequency of alpha, beta, C value is 163. So after the subtraction of these two values, we get 20504. And next, problem number 4. An investigation of 23,713 households was made in an urban and rural mixed locality. Of these, 1,618 were farmers, 2015 well-to-do, and 770 families were having at least one graduate. Of these graduate families, 335 were those of farmers and 428 were well-to-do. Also, 587 well-to-do families were those of farmers, and out of them, only 156 were having at least one of their family member as graduate. Now we have to find out all the ultimate class frequencies of the given problem. So now the solution. So first we have to denote the attributes of this problem. First we have to take, let the attribute forming, that means farmers. That farmers be denoted by the attribute A. And next, the attribute well-to-do be denoted by letter B. And the attribute having at least one graduate denoted by the letter C. So then in usual notations, you have to write down all these values in usual notations. First one is an investigation of households. How many households here? 23,713. So that is the size of the population. So that size of the population is denoted by capital N. That is equal to 23,713. Of these, 1,618 were farmers. Farmers denoted by the attribute A. So 1618 value can be represented as frequency of A is equal to 1,618. And well-to-do are 2015. So well-to-do can be denoted by the letter, we are treated as the letter B. So that is frequency of B value is 2015. And 770 families were having at least one graduate. At least one graduate, that is denoted by the letter C. So that can be represented in the notation frequency of C is equal to 770. And the next sentence, of these graduate families, 335 were those of farmers. That means frequency of AC is equal to 335. And 428 were well-to-do. Frequency of BC. Graduate families are well-to-do. That is, frequency of BC value is 428. Also, 587 well-to-do families were those of farmers. That means frequency of AB. Frequency of AB is 587. And out of them, only 156 were having at least one of their family member as graduate. So that can be represented in the notations. Frequency of ABC. This is equal to 156. So these are the notations. In the given problem, values. Now we have to find the values of ultimate class frequencies. Here we are given 3 attributes A, B, C. For 3 attributes, the number of ultimate class frequencies is 2 cube. That means 8. One of them being is given. So that is frequency of ABC is equal to 156. And the remaining 7 class frequencies are found as follows. The remaining 7 class frequencies in the third order are as follows. So first one is frequency of AB gamma. This is equal to frequency of AB minus frequency of ABC. Frequency of AB value is 587 minus frequency of ABC is 156. 587 minus 156 we get 431. So after that we have to find out next third order ultimate class frequency, that is frequency of A beta C. A beta C can be written as frequency of AC minus frequency of ABC. So the value of frequency of AC is 335 minus frequency of ABC is 156. So 335 minus 156, this is 179. And next third order class frequency is frequency of A beta gamma. And this can be written as frequency of A minus frequency of AB minus frequency of AC plus frequency of ABC. So the value of frequency of A is 1618 minus frequency of AB is 587 minus frequency of AC value is 335 plus frequency of ABC is 156. So after the simplification, we get the value of frequency of A beta gamma is 852. And the next frequency, that is frequency of alpha BC. And this is equal to frequency of BC minus frequency of ABC. So the value of frequency of BC is 428 minus frequency of ABC is 156. 428 minus 156 is 272. And the next third order class frequency is frequency of alpha B gamma. And this is equal to frequency of B minus frequency of AB minus frequency of BC plus frequency of ABC. So the value of frequency of B is 2015 minus frequency of AB is 587, frequency of BC is 428, frequency of ABC is 156, and this is equal to 1156. And the next value is frequency of alpha, beta, C. This is equal to C minus frequency of C minus frequency of AC minus frequency of BC plus frequency of ABC. So frequency of C value is 770 minus frequency of AC is 335, frequency of BC value is 428 plus frequency of ABC is 156. After the simplification, we get the value is 163. And the last ultimate class frequency, that is frequency of alpha, beta, gamma. Now frequency of alpha, beta, gamma can be written as N minus capital N minus frequency of A minus frequency of B minus frequency of C plus frequency of AB plus frequency of BC plus frequency of AC minus frequency of ABC. Now substitute all the values in this expression. The value of N is 23,713 minus frequency of A value is 1618, frequency of B value is 2015, frequency of C value is 770 plus frequency of A value is 587 plus frequency of BC value is 428 plus frequency of AC value is 335 minus frequency of ABC is 156. So after the simplification, we get the value 20,504. So this value is obtained by the corresponding frequency is frequency of alpha, beta, gamma. And next, coming to the fifth problem. So the problem is like this: 100 children took 3 examinations. So those examinations are denoted by A, B and C. 40 passed the first, 39 passed the second, and 48 passed the third, 10 passed all the 3, 21 failed all the 3, 9 passed the first 2 and failed the third, 19 failed the first 2 and passed the third. Find how many children passed at least 2 examinations. Show that for the question asked, certain of the given frequencies are not necessary. Which are they? Now the solution of this problem is as follows. First we have denoted the attributes A, B and C. Let we have to take A, B and C. So this denotes the passing of the first, second and third examinations respectively. Then we are writing the notations. Here, how many children took the 3 examinations? So those are 100 children. So that 100 is denoted by size of the population that can be represented as capital N. So capital N is equal to here 100 children. 40 passed the first exam. So the first exam is denoted by the letter A. Attribute the letter A. So 40 passed the first means that is frequency of A is equal to 40. And next one is 39 passed the second. So the second examination denoted by the attribute B. So 39 can be written as frequency of B is equal to 39. And next sentence, 48 passed the third. And the third examination denoted by the letter C. So that is frequency of C is equal to 48. And next one is 10 passed all the three. All the three examinations passed 10 students. That means frequency of ABC is equal to 10. And next one is 21 failed all three. So passed the attributes are ABC and failed the attributes are alpha, beta, gamma. And 21 failed all the three means frequency of alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 21. 9 passed the first two. That means AB and failed the third. That is AB gamma. So frequency of AB gamma is equal to how many members are in frequency of AB gamma? Those are 9 passed members. Only 9. 19 failed the first two and passed the third. That can be represented as frequency of alpha, beta. 19 failed the first two. That means frequency of alpha, beta and passed the third. That means alpha, beta, C. That is frequency of alpha, beta, C is equal to 90. So this is the symbolic representation of the given information. Next we have to find out the number of children passed at least 2 examinations. It is to find out that the number of children passed at least 2 examinations. Is frequency of AB gamma plus frequency of A beta C plus frequency of alpha BC plus frequency of ABC. So frequency of AB gamma plus frequency of A beta C can be written as frequency of AC minus frequency of ABC plus frequency of alpha BC can be written as frequency of alpha C minus frequency of alpha beta C plus, and the remaining class frequency is frequency of ABC. Here minus frequency of ABC and here plus frequency of ABC. So these two class frequencies are cancelled and the remaining class frequencies are frequency of AB gamma plus frequency of AC plus frequency of alpha C. Frequency of AC plus frequency of alpha C can be written in the first order class frequency, that is frequency of C, minus frequency of alpha beta C. Here we are using frequency of C is equal to frequency of AC plus frequency of alpha C. Here we are using this condition. Sum of these two class frequencies is equivalent to frequency of C. So that's why I am writing here frequency of C. Now we have to substitute the values of these three values. First, frequency of AB gamma. So in the given problem, frequency of AB gamma value is 9 plus frequency of C value is 48 minus frequency of alpha beta C value is 19. We get the value is 38. So the number of children passed at least 2 examinations is 38 children. So in the next question, here we are using only 3 frequencies. 3 class frequencies are only used in this problem. So those are namely frequency of AB gamma, frequency of C, and frequency of alpha beta C. Then the remaining unused frequencies. Then the remaining unused frequencies are capital N, frequency of A, frequency of B, frequency of ABC, frequency of alpha beta gamma. Problem number 6. In a university examination which was indeed very tough, 50% at least failed in statistics, 75% at least in topology, 82% at least in functional analysis, and 96% at least in applied mathematics. How many at least failed in all the 4 subjects? Now the solution of the given problem is, first we are denoting the attributes. Let attribute A be denoted failed in statistics. Failed in statistics. And the attribute B is denoted by failed in topology. The attribute C is denoted by failed in functional analysis. And attribute D is denoted by failed in applied mathematics. So here the frequencies are in percentages. Then we assume that the total frequency, so that means the size of the population, so that is denoted by capital N, that value is equal to 100. And first attribute we are denoting failed in statistics, that is 50% at least failed in statistics. That means frequency of A is greater than or equal to 50. 75% at least in topology. So that means frequency of B is greater than or equal to 75. 82% at least in functional analysis. Functional analysis can be denoted by the attribute C. So that can be written as frequency of C greater than or equal to 82. And the last one is, so that is failed at least in applied mathematics. How many percentage? 96%. That can be represented as frequency of D is greater than or equal to 96. Therefore, the required number of students at least failed in all the 4 examinations by the known result expressed as frequency of ABCD greater than or equal to frequency of A plus frequency of B plus frequency of C plus frequency of D minus 3. Now substitute the values of frequency of A, frequency of B, frequency of C and frequency of D. So now we get which is greater than or equal to frequency of A is greater than or equal to 50. So again frequency of B value is 75. Frequency of C value 82. Frequency of D value is 96. Minus 3 into and N value is here 100. So sum of these values 50 plus 75 plus 82 plus 96. So this is 303 minus 300. So this is greater than or equal to 3. So 3%. 3% at least failed in all the 4 examinations